Nong tau an ke All India Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul sangma ubadeiru menteri rang ba barim jangajala ulaong bagajing weng kam kendet yaki officer ke magalaya lokayukta kapen tharai bagadon gajing temu buitpo panburi eki kam bamsap ki bertoket da ke lokayukta habakran sikilat pathai kubor uniu noyalam ulaong bahaban ngam jeliu balai bala weng yaki niki officer pada gajing shisha lariban ailat bakan trei kam laj luit.
What is the intention? Intention is more important. You have to be more analytical, you have to be more investigative, then you will have your answer. What is the intention? Was there any malafide intention behind? Was there any reason which necessitated the government to change people? You know that Lokayukta is doing its job. Number of issues of corruption has been already taken up by Lokayukta. So you can understand the magnitude of responsibilities and therefore, magnitude of responsibility of everybody concerned. What is the purpose of Lokayukta? The whole state wanted, at least something which should be acting as deterrence. Therefore, allow it. Allow it to function to its full potentiality. Let everybody at least realizes the existence of a deterrence. Now, if it doesn't perform, who will fear the law? Therefore, fear for law is crucial, and the enactment of law is precisely for that purpose, to ensure that there is ultimate end result of enabling people to self-regulate. When there's a fear for law, people will all self-regulate.